Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now today I'm popping on just to share with you guys a swap that I received from Lyzaida. She is a member of the Junk Journal Buddies on Facebook. It's a Facebook group that is created by Liz from Liz for a Day here on YouTube, and the host for that swap is Penny, which is also an admin of the group, and she's one of the moderators for Liz's her 6 p.m. lives. So if you're into swaps, I encourage you to click the link below, where I list in the description the Facebook group Junk Journal Buddies, and so you can maybe exchange some things that they've got coming up. I know that the holidays are coming, so we always look forward to getting some things from friends. Now this particular swap was a napkin swap. Now if you're not familiar with how napkins are used in crafting, they're typically used, as far as I'm concerned, in decoupaging and collaging. Now when you collage, you can also use them, let's see, anywhere you can use glue, you can use the napkins. So I think for my prayer journal, the cover of that, I'll put a link to that video. The cover of that is actually done with a napkin. It's collaged on, or yeah, decoupage, whatever you want to call it. And I also scanned that entire 8.5 by 11 in, and then printed it and cut it up to use for embellishments and journal cards. So now the reason why you see this box here is because that's actually what I was getting. That's what I was eating. My husband had put this in while I was out running errands today, and it smelled so good when I came in. I had to just scoop a little out for myself. This is Patty's Good Life. I found this at Walmart. So I'm just putting you guys on to something that is really good. I mean, this is a meal in and of itself. It's hearty enough, and it's very flavorful. You can serve it over rice or with potatoes. So, you know, for something quick. Now, it's not that quick because it takes about an hour, I think, in the oven, 50 minutes in the oven. And it doesn't really need anything else. So I'm finishing up mine here. Yeah, I'm eating it out of a paper bowl because I don't want to have to do dishes. Okay? Patti LaBelle has done it again. Not only can the sister sing, but she can throw down in the kitchen. So thumbs up to Patty's black eyed peas with smoked turkey. And it's smoked turkey, so it has no pork in it, for those of you who have an aversion to pork or just don't keep it in your diet. So anyways, let's get into the swap. So of course I covered up my address and cut out hers, but I have not looked inside of here to see exactly what she sent, because I wanted to share that moment with you. So let's dive in, guys. And let's see. She says, can't wait to see your creation. Well, first off, let me just say, Lyzaida, if you're watching, and I hope I pronounced your name right, if you're watching, thank you so much for whatever is in here. I know that I will use it, and I can't wait to see what you create from what I've sent you. Okay? And look at that washi. I'm going to reuse that, and I'm not sure what this feels like. A napkin, in which case let me be careful and pull this off, because I will be reusing that. I can. That's just what I do. That's what we do. And she taped it in a way that it can be reused. So if I carefully pull this out, cross your fingers, guys. Okay. All right. I did it. Whew. All right. So this feels like wallpaper. I'm not sure, but it has a texture to it. Now it doesn't, and it looks like it is wallpaper. Well, it feels like it, but it has an adhesive back. Is that an adhesive back? I know y'all not here y'all don't want to wait for me to figure this out. No, it's just a thick type of paper. I'm not sure what that is. Lyzaida, if you're watching, drop in the comments below what exactly is this. But yes, I'll definitely be using that. Love the colors. It has a vintage feel. And look at the cute little paper clip. Oh, it's adorable. All right, let me put that back. All right, so let's see what's inside this package. Cute little envelope. We'll get to that. So we have a pink and white, like it's almost like a lattice print. Oh, this is gorgeous. The muted purples and peaches. And then it says, I do. This will be cute for our anniversary, like a journal for, oh my gosh, I love the color thing. You know, I've never even seen these, so I don't even know where you got them from, Lyzaida, but they're gorgeous. This is so pretty. The teal, purple, lavender, gray. Beautiful color scheme. And let's see what she put in the little envelope. Oh my goodness. Stuff to use with all of these. The color scheme is right on the money. And I don't know what this is. It's a jewel, a flat back jewel with a rhinestone. If you can see that. And then the twine on a little postcard tag. That is so pretty. And let's see what else is in here. Looks like some die cuts. Oh, washi. We've got washi. Now, it's funny how all of this kind of goes with this here theme she put together. And then this looks like washi stickers. But I'm not certain because I'm not that versed. Look, the cute little bunny. Oh, how adorable. The birds with the... Now, I like lilac, or excuse me, lavender. And where I come from, back in Rochester, lilac is a huge thing because I think it's the home of lilacs or Lavender City. I mean, Lilac City. It's Lilac City. That's its nickname. But look at the beautiful stickers. I've never seen these before. That is so pretty. Okay, so that was in the first one. And here is this. I thought we said five napkins. Did I get that wrong? Oh my goodness, she sent me sets. 1, 2, and this is more of a fall themed. That is so pretty with the birds. Now this would be nice to decoupage on glass holders or candle holders, which I need to pick up a few from Dollar General or Dollar Tree. Oh, look at the same one, just in a different color. Let me not mix that up. Then we have looks like holly berries, is it? This is more of a Christmas themed one because that looks like evergreen. That's pretty. And then, now this isn't hibiscus. Is that what that is? This is great for summer. So that can make a great summer journal edition. And oh my goodness, I've never seen this napkin before. I've never seen any of these. But isn't that the cutest thing with the watermelon inside the mason jar? And I love the colors. I never would think to put these colors together. And it's also like a watercolor print. And then the Paris. You guys see that? And if you notice, I don't know if you can see it, but the gold has a little bit of a shimmer to it. That is so pretty. And this goes well. This twine goes well with this. Okay. So that was in the second package. Put this under here. And then the last package. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the bumblebee. Look at how cute that is. And I love the colors. It's not stark white, as in white. It's an off-white with a mustard yellow. So that is really pretty. And then you have, this is really a good summer themed one. The lemons with the bumblebee. The summer themed flowers and colors. Color theme. Oh look, this will go great inside of a summer journal. Seriously. And this feels like wallpaper, but I'm not sure. I don't even know. I'm not familiar with what the what is it, gift wrap? Or is it liner? Like, what is that? Martha Stewart something, guys. I don't know. Lyzaida, if you're watching, please let me know where you got this from. And look, the whole set. We got the whole set right here, guys. How cute is that? Thank you so much. And let's see. Here's that black and white polka dot with the black and white specked paint splattered washi tape. And it looks like it's on a tag with a couple of birds on it. I love it. I love everything she put in here. And then here is some, it looks like dictionary. It looks like she cut these out and stamped and inked them out of a dictionary, a Hispanic dictionary, I would say. So there's the lemon. This looks like a lime. Yeah, lemons and limes. Oh, lemon and lime. Lemon. They're all lemons, obviously. Okay, so again, guys, if you are interested in joining the swaps over on Liz's Facebook group, click the link below. And if I forget to add it there, drop a comment and I'll be certain to get that up there for you. Lyzaida, thank you so much for this wonderful swap. I will certainly enjoy everything that you sent me. Thank you so much for all of the variety and for putting so much work into and care into the packaging of these napkins. And I hope you enjoy yours as much as I will enjoy this. And thanks, guys, for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.